Hi, I'm Paul and welcome to eSpares. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the brush bar on a Dyson V8 handheld stick vacuum. If you've noticed that your vacuum cleaner isn't picking up as it usually does, it could be possible that the brush bar bristles have become worn over time. If this is the case, the brush bar could possibly need replacing. Alongside showing you how to do this, we'll also include a link to new brush bars in the description below so you can get hold of a replacement. First, you'll need to remove the motor head. To do this, simply press down on the red switch at the end of the vacuum and pull the motor head out. Next, you'll need to release the brush bar from the motor head. Using a coin or flathead screwdriver, unscrew the motor head cap. Then, push the brush bar up and lift it out. Here you can check the brush bar for any blockages, such as any string or any other objects it might have picked up. If you find any blockages like this, you can go ahead and remove them by hand. You will also need to check the bristles themselves. If the bristles don't appear worn down in any way, simply removing any blockages might have done the trick. However, if the bristles are worn down, they won't agitate the carpet and pick up as well as they usually would. If this is the case, you'll need to replace the brush bar with a new one. Now it's time to either fit a new brush bar or refit your old one, depending on its condition. You'll be able to see that there are two different ends to the brush bar. The end without the metal pin and a larger dip inside fits onto the rotator at the bottom of the motor head. Simply drop the brush bar back into the motor head the right way up and screw the cap back inside. When refitting your brush bar, you need to make sure that the straight edge here lines up with the unlock symbol before tightening again with your 10p piece until you hear it click into place. Then slot the motor head back onto the wand until you hear it click into place. Once you have completed your repair, test your vacuum cleaner to make sure it's working correctly and that the brush bar is spinning as it should. And there you have it, how to replace a brush bar on a Dyson V8 handheld stick vacuum. Hopefully your vacuum cleaner is now running properly again. For more videos on maintaining and fixing your handheld Dyson vacuum cleaner, check out our playlist below that covers a wide range of issues and how to fix them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for plenty more videos on appliance care, including step-by-step repair guides, maintenance advice and more. Thanks for watching.